So this is the AC air conditioner delete pulley, and it's basically just this metal aluminum piece right here and this wheel. Two longer bolts go onto the air conditioner bracket, and instead of having the big air conditioner compressor here, you just have this pulley, so the belt will go up and around the tightener and through the engine. So this is it. This is how you bypass your air conditioner and keep your serpentine belt on there. So I have this large bracket on with the power steering pump in there. I have the alternator on. I have this water spout. I have the AC bypass pulley here, which replaces where the compressor goes for the air conditioning. The belt tensioner. I have also the fan is ready to put on, but I don't have it on yet because I'm still doing a little work there. And the carburetor's on there, air cleaner, and in the back the distributor is installed. So got the fan clutch on there, the fan, and I have the serpentine belt on there, and it's tensioned up, everything's good. So all that stuff is ready to go in the front. I'm putting on some hoses, PCV hose. This is the vacuum advance. This one goes over to the little canister over there. Did put on my ground wire there, here to the engine, and I hooked the fuel line up, and I got some things in place back there for the linkage. About to finish that. So yeah, it's getting clean. Just need to keep working, putting some small things on there. All right, I am 100% finished. All the work's done. The radiator's in. Had to get a new radiator because the other one was leaking from the head gasket problem. So anyways, from this point, I'm going to go ahead and prime the engine with oil, where you take a device, stick it in the distributor hole, spin the oil pump, and it makes oil through the engine. So after that, I'll time it and start it up. That will be the next video, and hopefully this thing will be driving. See you then.